designers, we're in a closet here, and on this set of plans, the customer's got something going in here, and so we've left this blank. Do me a favor, unless there is an absolute reason that we can't do this, tell us that it's okay to run this rail to the wall. And the reason why is, so we're out here in Sun City, 24-inch on center studs. The last stud is 5 inches off of there. So we've got sheetrock connectors and stuff in here to hold this on, but it's very weak, and it just makes the installation easier. If we ran this all the way to the wall, and it's not going to be an issue, it makes this much stronger, makes the installation easier. So I would just put, okay to run rail to the wall. Just put a note on that here. Make sure we've gone over that with the customer. Makes it nice and easy. Most of the time they're okay with it. I don't know your reason why we've got this gap here, but that makes it easy. The other thing we can do is we can go ahead and run this over and put a vertical here and just leave it blank with a nailer behind it, so if they ever want to add anything in. So those are some options. But anytime we can run the rail to the wall, it's much stronger than doing a finished end and a nailer. Thank you.